Hello students, welcome again. Okay, now so far I discussed corresponding angles and alternate angles. Okay, first I discussed a pair of angles in pair of lines. Pair of lines may be of two kinds, either parallel lines or non-parallel lines. Then I discussed about transversal line. Transversal line is a line which cuts at least two lines. Okay. Then next I discussed about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles have three conditions and alternate angles have three conditions. In detail I discussed about a corresponding as well as a alternate interior angle and exterior angle in previous video. Now before starting 5.2 I will take one situation where I am going to discuss about the properties of corresponding and alternate angles in case of parallel lines as well as non-parallel lines. Let's say this is the first condition where pair of lines is non-parallel. This is a non-parallel. Let's say A, B, this is a M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when pair of lines are parallel, one, two, three, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. Here two conditions are there. These two lines are non-parallel pair of lines. Here A and B are a parallel pair of lines. This pair of lines is parallel. This pair of lines is a non-parallel. M is a transverse line here also, and similarly M is also a transversal line here. Now in both cases alternate angles are formed, corresponding angles are formed, interior angles are there, exterior angles are there, but their properties changes. They have different properties. Let's say let me write alternate angles. Okay, pair of alternate angles. Here one is first I will write corresponding angles. Let's say I will write corresponding. One is corresponding with the 5, 1 and 5. Next 4 and 8. Here 2 and 6. 3 and 7. Total 4 pair of corresponding angles are formed. Whenever here also 4 pair, 1 of 5, 1, 5, 4, 8, 4, 8, 2, 6, 3, 7. So remember, whenever the pair of lines are non-parallel, corresponding angles are not equal. Means you can't write 1 and 1 equal to 5. 1 equal to 5 agudilla. Pair of lines parallel illa andra just only we can identify. There is no advantage. Okay. But whenever pair of lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. 1 is equal to 5, 4 is equal to 8. So you can easily write 1 is equal to 5. If you know 1, suppose this is a 110 degree. If 1 is 110 degree, no need to calculate 5. 5 is automatically 110 degree. If this is 110, it is going to be 70 because whole thing is 180, no? If this is 70, 2 is a 70, angle 2 is a 70, therefore 2 is corresponding angle with the 6, no? Therefore 6 will also become 70. 6 will also become 70. Again, this is a straight line. If this is 70, this is going to be 110, or vertically opposite angle 3 is going to be 110. 3 is corresponding with which angle? 7, no? Therefore 7 will also become 110. Okay. Again, if this is 70, 4 is going to be 70 because vertically opposite. If 4 is 70, no need to calculate about 8 because 4 and 8 are corresponding. 4 and 8 are corresponding. Therefore 8 is also going to be 70. So corresponding angles are equal only if the pair of lines are parallel. If pair of lines are not parallel, then these all rules are not applicable. Yavade rules are applicable agudilla. Pair of lines parallel idra alternate angles are equal irutta. You can see here, one is alternate with which? Alternate andre enu? Alternate opposite side irbeku, ಎರಡು exterior irbeku illa ಎರಡು interior irbeku, different vertex irbeku. One is alternate with the 7, nodi, one angle 1 is 110, angle 7 is also 110, therefore alternate angles are also equal. 2 is alternate with the 8, 2 is also 70 degree, 8 is also 70 degree. 4 is alternate with the 6, 4 is also 70, 6 is also 70. 3 is 110 degree, therefore angle 5, angle 3 is alternate with the angle 5 now, therefore 3 is also 110, 5 is also 110. So our rule is whenever pair of lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are also equal. Write this. Okay. There is no rule for non-parallel. You can't apply these rules for non-parallel pair of lines. Remember. So whenever pair of lines are parallel, first one corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Are equal. Second, alternate angles are equal. And one more condition is there. Whenever pair of lines are parallel, if you add the interior angles on the same side, can you observe here? These 4, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the interior angles. Interior angles on the same side. 3, 6 are on the same side, 4, 5 are on the same side. If you add the interior angles on the same side of a transversal line, if pair of lines are parallel, you will always get a 180. Look here, 70 plus 110 is 180, no? 70 plus 110 is 180. If we are not getting 180, then given lines are not parallel. If they are parallel, the angle must and should equal to 180. Remember, okay? Sum of interior angles on same side is 180 degree. Is a 180 degree. Okay? ಈಗ ನಾವೀಗ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. How to, if you know one angle, you can calculate remaining all angles. I will show you how. Let us say, let's take a parallel pair of lines and draw one transversal line. This time I will draw transversal line like this. Okay? And I know this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. I don't know any other angles. I want to find all the angles. How to calculate? you know many things. Okay, so the straight line always measures 180, vertically opposite angles are equal, and you know that alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal whenever pair of lines are parallel. Applying all those rules, I am going to calculate. If this is 60, this whole thing must be 180 now. So this is going to be how much? If this is 60, this is going to be how much? 120 now. Because complete thing must be equal to 180. So I calculated next. Here 60 is vertically opposite to this angle, so this is also going to be 60, because vertically opposite angles are equal. You studied in the last exercise. And this is vertically opposite to this one. Now I don't have any clue here. I have at least one clue here, and from this one clue I calculated the remaining 3, but I don't have any clue here how to calculate. This is corresponding to this now. Let us say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1 is corresponding to which angle? 1 is corresponding to 5. And whenever pair of lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, this 5 is also going to be 60. 2 is corresponding to 6, 120. Now, 1 is alternate to 7. 1 is alternate to 7. Therefore, alternate angles are also equal. 7 is going to be 60. 2 is alternate with the 8. Therefore, 120 degree. Now you check whether the given pair of lines is parallel or not. To check whether the given pair of lines is parallel or not, sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal line must be equal to 180. You check here. Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal line, 60 plus 120, 180. 120 plus 60, 180. Therefore, given pair of lines are parallel. Okay, this is the way how you have to calculate. Look, I will not solve too much problems from the exercise 5.2. I will take only two problems from the exercise 5.2. Then I will move towards the next chapter, that is chapter 6. Okay. In next session, I will take exercise 5.2. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye.